about to wrap. Last scene of the day, and we're about to.
Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a smaller video. I'm going to be doing another review, and today I'm going to be reviewing, drum roll, I'm going to be reviewing the House Foods Soon Tofu Soup Kit. Let's see what it comes with. Okay, so let me open the package now. Okay, so it's really just very simple. It's the tofu and then the sown tofu sauce. So I think just to make this a little bit interesting for me, I'm gonna put some rice noodles. I'm gonna put some linguine rice noodles with the tofu and the sown tofu sauce. So let's make it and then let's review it on a scale of 1 to 10. Let's go. Okay, so what are the directions? I feel like it's easy, but let's read the directions. So what you have to do is boil water, add the sauce, add your choice of meat, seafood, and veggies. Open and add tofu, stirring lightly, cook thoroughly before serving. Okay, let's see if I have any vegetables. I have a vegetable medley here, but do I really want it? I think I just want to have the rice noodles. I'll stick with the rice noodles, no vegetables. I know I should probably have some vegetables, but if this is a review, I want to try it as simply as possible. I think the rice noodles are great with absorbing the sauce, but it will still give me some texture to play with in my mouth. So I filled this pot up with water, and then I'm gonna set the bottom of it on fire. And then I'm gonna cut the tofu and then add everything in all at once, honestly. Okay. Chaos. Okay, so as I'm cooking it, it has like an oniony smell, like a green onion smell, or like a kimchi smell. And this one's hot, so this one's spicy. Beef tendon extract. Okay. I wish I didn't read that. I don't know why. It's just the word tendon that got me. But let's try it. That's what makes a good broth. I'm gonna give it just a little bit longer. And then we're gonna take the first taste test. We'll see. I don't know why I'm nervous. Oh, fuck me. Oh, shit. Oh my god, my life. Okay, that was a disaster. And I'm gonna be so honest, I'm a little nervous. I don't know about it. I don't know about it, guys. It's not like anything I've smelled before. So I'm nervous about the beef tendon, y'all. I just scared myself, okay? I read what was in it, and I saw beef tendon, and like, isn't that what's in broth? Let me just try it. Okay. I'm gonna try the first bite. I'm scared. Okay. Okay, I don't know. Okay. Okay, so I'm open. Hold on. Well, I'm trying the noodles and the tofu first, and then I'll try the broth by itself. Okay, first bite. I'm scared it's hot. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's in my head. I think I've psyched myself out. You know. Let me just try a noodle. Let me try the noodle by itself. Maybe it's. I don't know. I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Oh my gosh. It's just maybe I didn't do it right. Maybe I'm supposed to add something. It just tastes like oily. I don't know. Like, look at the oil separate. I think I did something wrong. Oil separate. And then it has like almost no flavor. It almost has like no flavor. Like maybe I should have added something, but it didn't say that in the directions. Honestly, I feel bad because maybe I just didn't do it right. It's not even hot. It tastes like, no. No, thank you. And I think maybe the truth of the matter is I psyched myself out reading the beef tendon. It's just I've never seen beef tendon written down before. I think I need to go to a restaurant and try this. I just feel like every time I try one of these packets, I'm not liking them. But I think if I went to a restaurant, like, I could mess with it. So I'm gonna give the rating. Okay, I put my hands up. I don't know. I don't know if I did it wrong. I put my hands up. I don't know. You know what I mean? That's all I'm gonna say. I just don't know. So, like, I'm gonna put my hands up. I'm just gonna review it the way I tasted it. And if there's something I forgot, if there's something I didn't do correctly, put it in the comments. Don't yell at me because I don't know what I don't know. Okay? Educate me. Anywho, I'm gonna give it a sharp 1 out of 10. 1 because I appreciate. But that's all. That's just I'm gonna be honest, and I'm shaking in my boots right now. Really, okay, yeah, 1 out of 10. Don't come for me. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching my review. It was short. It was not long-lived. It was a very short review. But it was what it was. Thanks for watching, y'all. Give me a thumbs up and I'll do more reviews. But yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.